take a look here at the history of the Budapest-Kelenföld railroad station. Is one of four major significant railway hubs here in Budapest and serves as a significant gateway for trains traveling through around. The establishment originally started in 1861. The station's history dating back then as the Southern Railway Company. Built in a 350-meter tunnel, was the longest in Hungary at the time it was constructed. This was a major engineering milestone taking place here, which then saw an expansion from 1876 to 77. The station's building was completed, and there was a Southern Connection Railway Bridge, which linked the southern network to the eastern region of Hungary. In the mid-20th century and World War II, the station played a significant role after World War II and connected the bridges and was heavily damaged and destroyed during the war. This was primarily replacing operations that took place there in around 1946. Throughout the 20th century, the station underwent major changes, including opening the M4 Metro Line in 2014, which connects the station seamlessly to other transportation hubs throughout Budapest. I would say that there was some construction with the railway system when I got there, so it was a little bit confusing. But once you get on it, it was pretty simple. That's it for this video. Keep a lookout for more videos to come, but we want to make sure if you have any information on the history of this railway system, be sure to add it down in the comment section below. As we consistently try to make updates to these videos, we need your help. We want to turn it into a historical fashion. It was a great trip around Budapest, but seeing these historical landmarks is the reason we wanted to dedicate videos towards learning about them. But if you have any information on these historical landmarks, or if you've been there, be sure to add it in the comment section. That's it for this video. As you see, there's going to be a video popping up that could be targeting your local area. Try to hit that video down in the comment section below. If you have any other information, please let us know down in the comment section. That's it for this video. Keep a lookout for more videos to come here with the Professor, an independent golf channel focused on fun, affordable golf in your area.